Today we are going to see about a project called agricultural robot. So what you are seeing in the screen is the board electronics part of agricultural robot. Okay, so we have to fix this part on the top of the robot chassis so that it will act as a robot. So let me first tell you what are the components used in this project, and I will explain you the concept and other things. Okay, so the main component of this project is Arduino Uno microcontroller board, that is Atmega 328B microcontroller. Atmega 328B is the microcontroller and Arduino Uno is the board. So this is the brain of the system, and it has the relays connected, two relays connected. One relay is for operating the motor. So this is a cutting blade motor. In the agricultural robot, we are going to place this motor in the front with the blade so that it will cut the grass or cut the crop, whatever it is. So we need to fix the blade here and fix this in front of the robot so that it will cut the crop. So this is a cutting motor, and this motor will be controlled by using this relay. And we have another relay for operating the pump for water flow. So this pump will be fixed in the bottle of water, and pipe will be given so that whenever this relay activated, the water will flow to the land, so via robo. And then we have the motor driver for controlling two motors. This is for controlling the robo motors. For robo forward reverse condition, we can use these two motors, and by using this we can control the robo forward reverse conditions. And then we have the battery. Battery is for a pump. We are giving the separate power for pump because since the pump, whenever the pump is operating, the high current will be required actually, and it will disturb the other circuit. So I am giving power for the pump separately, the 9V battery. And we have the RF receiver. So this is the RF receiver board. So RF receiver will get the data because this robot will be operated by using this remote, this tiny remote. So whenever the buttons on the remote is pressed, the robot will be controlled. So we are having the RF receiver and the power adapter, okay, and a remote control for the control. We have the 4 buttons to control this. Okay, so this is the entire setup, and we can see how it works. Okay, for working I am just connecting the power. In the real time it will be connected with the battery in the robo. For just testing purpose I am connecting the adapter in the power supply and turning it on. Okay, so now the power is given to the circuit. Okay, now the power is given to the circuit, and we have the 4 buttons here. So A, B, C, D. A and B will be acting as a forward and reverse direction control of the robo. So when you press the A, the motor will rotate in the forward direction, and when you press the B, the motor will rotate in the reverse direction to control the robo in forward and reverse direction. And C for controlling the pump, and D for controlling the cutting blade. Okay, so these are the 4 button functions. So let me check one by one. So when I press the A, the signal from the remote will be received through the receiver, and it will be given to the Arduino Uno board or the Atmega microcontroller. And when it get the data A, it will control the motors in the forward. When it get the B, this will control the motors in the reverse by using the motor driver. And C and D will on off this relays to control the cutting blade and the pump. Okay, now I am going to press the A button. So whenever I press the A button, you can see. Okay, you need to keep on pressing because this is momentary. So when you press the A button, you can see the robot is moving in the forward direction. Actually, the motor itself moving. When I press the B button, the motor will go in the reverse direction. Okay, so this is how the robot will be controlled forward and reverse direction. And by pressing the C, you can see this relay is turned on. So this is the pump relay. So it will flow the water to the circuit. You need to keep on pressing. So it will flow the water like this. Just pour the water. So you just keep on pressing like this. So pump will be activated. And then we have the cutting blade D. So cutting blade will operate and cut the crop. So this is how the entire setup works. Thanks for watching.